So guys, hi everyone, it's Mixie here today. I got my heart and my donut. So, which one is mine? Tell me in the comments. This one? Oh, it's on but this one. So guys, this is my popping bubbles. I got the unicorn, I got the juice, I got the diamond, and I got the dinosaur. Which one do you open, guys? This one? Okay. This is mine.
It's a dinosaur.
And
You've got a heart already. Can you show them how you play it?
not yet. I will show them.
Okay. That one.
Yay! My favorite color.
You did not show it properly. You're too excited to open.
I'm excited to open them, Mommy. A little one.
It's gonna damage your teeth. Do it. Let me do it. I'll help you.
I love them.
Oh,
I'm happy I got new ones. Did I put a lot of them?
yeah. You've got plenty again. You love them?
Not yet. So
Wow.
guys,
No, that's not yours. I think that's mine. Don't be cheeky. Don't open something that is not yours. She's going to open it, guys.
yeah, let's check what's in there. Yeah.
Just focus on yours.
Yeah.
You naughty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Wow, you're very strong.
what's yours? So guys, tell me what's in there.
They can't tell.
Okay, they're gonna watch you, and they're gonna watch me open it. Another bag.
Another bag inside the bag. Maybe leave it to mommy. Mommy will open it. Because it's not yours. Just focus on your toys, young lady. Okay, show them your popping bubbles. And show them how you play it.
So guys, this is my favorite one.
So what do you call that?
A a drink.
It's like a milkshake, yeah?
Milkshake.
Show them how you pop it.
And this is the unicorn.
Unicorn.
And this is hexagon.
No.
That's a dinosaur. Oh, we can put them all together. Here.
How many sides are these?
How about yours?
2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8.
I think yours is the
So,
surprise you win. Or me, I win how many of them? Guys, tell me in the comments. Let's say what's in Mommy's box. She got 2 supplies. And she wins. She got 2. Let's open her first one.
pakialamera ka.
And what's in hers? What's in yours, Mama?
Just don't open it. It's mine. Focus on yours.
Is
It's
this...
nothing to do with you. No. Go on, tidy up now.
So guys, this is how you pop it. So the juice has to be 4 size. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So that's it. And there's 3 lines on the donut. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 2 of them. So guys, two of them here.
Okay.
And then you pop the size of this.
Mm-hmm.
This is my favorite color.
Yeah.
This is purple.
Yeah.
This is blue.
So how you pop it, Show?
Here. They're real bouncy, Mama. They're not bouncy. They're too bouncy.
You show them the first ones that you've got. The first ones that you've got.
Wait.
The donuts. Is that your new thing?
Yes,
Wow,
it's my favorite color.
It's making some noise.
And the other side, it doesn't make noise.
Yeah.
So this is actual present, like the other one, it's like a juice.
Yes.
Or is there orange
So
and black?
that match with the donut. Show the donut.
Yes.
There. They match together.
So there's 2 circles, and then you can bounce them.
Can you? And then got this heart.
Can you show them how to pop them?
Yeah. Like this, guys.
And my unicorn, there is small.
So-
Mama, there is small.
Yeah. Show me.
Here.
Oh, they're cute.
They're much like the other one.
They are smaller, yeah.
Yes. They're much like the color.
And then you've got dragon.
That's not the dragon. Oh,
What
it
is
much
that?
it much like this one.
Yes.
There's 2 colors like them.
Mm-hmm. And then,
Here, these my favorite.
are they?
Yes, there are.
Okay, so do you recommend these toys
Or this
to
one.
the kids?
Do
are
you
they-
do the kids?
So do you like them?
I love them, Mommy.
Are they good?
Yes, they're good.
Okay. So tell the parents that they should buy their kids.
Guys, how can you buy your kids version of this? Tell me in the comments.
Okay, I think we need to say bye-bye now.
No, not yet.
We showed them already.
There's none left. There's none.
That's really cute.
There's one left.
Yeah.
Can I play these after in the bath?
Yes, you can play them all in the bath.
So how do you pop them in the bath?
Just try to figure out. Do you love them?
I love them, Mommy.
Oh, you happy with your purchase?
Yes.
That's good.
So now I'm gonna put them all together.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna with the pies.
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat everyone.
Oh, you're gonna beat everyone, okay.
With new popping bubbles. They're new, so they are real. They have plastics on them.
Yes.
So you can bring them in bath.
Yeah.
And tape to make them all in the bath.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can bring them in the bed and bring them outside and in the car.
Yes.
You can bring it in your backpack.
Uh-huh. So I just want to tell the viewers, especially the parents, so this is a tip, guys. When your kids want some toys, you have to make sure that the toys that they are going to buy is safe.
Yes.
And let them choose. Lexi had chosen all this. So as you can see, she's very happy with them because she chose them herself.
So now I'm gonna count them with 2 of them.
Okay, so now let's say bye-bye.
No, we need to choose the colors. Each one is the
Well, you've
bouncy
chosen
one.
them all, so I'm sure you like them all.
Mommy,
Hmm.
I think let's count them. Let's choose the different mini that is the color missing. Is this one matched together? Yes.
Yes.
And these one matched together. And these one two together. This one and this one, there's only one.
Yeah.
There's 1,
How many
2,
have you got there now?
3, 4, 5, 6.
No. Count again.
Mommy.
Oh yeah, that's correct. 6. Well done. It's my bad. Apologies. Okay, let's say bye-bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.
I hope you see my Poppin' Video channel. If you want to see it, you just subscribe and you can pick all of them and I will get one for you after, guys.
Okay. So what's the name of your channel?
I can call the name of this.
No, your channel. Your YouTube channel.
No, I'm talking about this.
Okay, just talk about
So I will call this name.
Milkshake?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna
Or
call
Booba.
this Opa Booba. And I'm gonna call this Unicorn Poppin' Bubble Flay.
Yeah.
And a dinosaur.
Uh-huh.
And this.
Uh-huh.
And this.
And a donut. Okay. Bye everyone.
Oh, Mommy,
Hope you enjoyed
Mama,
it.
we need to get a new box to put these for these.
Okay.
Or you can put them in the small area. Area playground there.
Yeah, you can put there. We will have a space for them. Or you can put in the drawer. Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye-bye, everyone. I love you.
Keep safe.
Keep safe. What we got in mine?
Wow.
I got to make this.
A mini.
But guys, we are wrong now.
It's okay. Are you not happy? You've got more. No, that's mine now. Come on, open it.
Take yours.
No, just leave it. Open. Sige na, buksan mo na.
do you open this?
It's a
Is this-
Ziploc. Yeah, just like that.
A bit flop.
Ta-da.
Wow. This works by colors. This one, open this for me.
Please. What do you say?
Yay! So now we can match all of the colors.
Yeah.
So now, let's match all the colors. This,
Who's the lucky girl?
these are together.
Wow, look at that. Additional, guys.
Wow.
You happy? Oh.
I love them, Mommy. Oh, what is this on them?
What?
What's this on here?
What's that?
There's cupcakes on here.
Yes.
I loved it. I love cupcakes, Mama. You can pop them inside.
Yes. Okay, let's say bye again. Bye-bye. Come on.
I hope you got a new cupcake.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone. I love popping bubbles.
I know you do. Now you've got plenty.
But wait, Mama.
Mm.
What did I choose? I chose like this. or
You chose
this?
them all.
Like the fit one, like this fit one.
Yeah. You chose them all.
We can choose one bag.
I think we are done with this. Yeah? So, enough for the fidget now. Enough for these popping bubbles now. Yeah?
But I do love them, Mommy.
I know you do. That's why I let you choose a lot.
They're my favorite color.
Yay! I'm
Oh,
so
Mommy,
happy
we
you
can
are
put
happy
them all
with the
together.
toys. Yeah.
There's one. Let's put them together.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who's the lucky girl?
I will beat all of them.
Yeah.
I will beat all of the girls. I'll beat them with all my favorite popping bubbles. I'm gonna hold them all like a sandwich.
Like a sandwich.
Yuck! Hey! These are not the ones. This one is not real. But these colors, this is pink, yellow. This is silver.
Where's silver? No, that's green.
Purple, pink, pink, pink. You love them?
I do.
Oh, I will show Daddy all of my favorite colors.
Yeah.
Before he comes back.
Okay, let's say bye-bye to them.